I just shut it down because, as you can see, it's starting to drip off this little line in there. I don't know what that thing is, but that's where she's dripping when she gets hot enough. Alright, that's right in there, and yep, she's got gas coming off of it, and she's wet. So, I don't know if it's supposed to be hooked to something, or if that's a vent, but last night it was bubbling and boiling over and spitting out of that thing pretty fast and running down the as you can see, down the crankcase, and that's about it.